Are you a Canberra electrician wondering why your business isn't showing up in local searches, despite offering top-notch service? In today's digital world, AI algorithms are constantly recommending services, and if they don't understand your business, you're missing out. These powerful AI systems analyze countless data points to determine which electricians are most relevant for a customer's needs, influencing your visibility on digital maps and search results across Canberra. Many local businesses struggle because their online presence doesn't effectively communicate their expertise to these algorithms, leading to missed opportunities and a feeling of being overlooked by potential clients right here in the ACT. That's why we've developed a 6-step AI training solution designed specifically for Canberra electricians, ensuring your business is accurately understood and highly recommended by these intelligent systems. Download our comprehensive guide today to learn how to boost your visibility and connect with more customers. Visit our Facebook page for more insights and to join our community of successful Canberra electricians.